Okay, this video is handled with care, quickly with the performance CD in the background, and I'm going to sing the words. Now before I start, I'm going to start at the beginning and just let all of the instrumental play. But when you practice this over and over at home, just, skip ahead in the video to where the lyrics begin so you don't always have to listen to the intro every time. I cannot stress enough that you enunciate your words, because this is a fast song and otherwise it's just going to sound like mush and the audience is not going to know what we're singing about. So make sure that you really overdo it. Like, practice it with totally overdoing, because when you add the dancing and everything else in, then your diction will automatically relax. So when you're practicing just vocals, really overdo it, okay? Until it sounds ridiculous. And then you'll be doing it right. Remember what Mrs. Kluge said. If you're spitting on stage, you're doing it right. Okay. So here's a little change in music. Changes to like China sounding music. And now it changes to the swing music, which Handle with Care is a swing song. Okay, it's coming up. Here's the first note. Here's China from China, tea from Ceylon, Indian florries and French bonbons. We packed it so carefully for the long trip, and nothing has broken, nothing has ripped. Here come the customs, what's to declare? All fragile, handle with care. Remember, care is short. Some instrumental here. You guys will be dancing or something fun. Okay, the next word is our. Our captain is fearless, our first mate is firm, our cabin boy's new but eager to learn. He's learned that a port's where you go in a storm, not what you drink from a bottle at dawn. Tell us all, cabin boy, what's to declare? I'm fragile, handle with care. More instrumental. That last part is Thomas singing or staggering, because I think he's supposed to be drunk there. Now for the next verse, verse 3, there's not a lot of music in the background, so your voices really have to do a good job. Next word is now. Now we've been at sea for a year and a day. Nothing to buy, so we've saved our pay. It's time for our shore leave. We've missed our wives. We've missed our sweethearts. It's time they arrived. Here come the ladies. What's to declare? We're fragile, handle with care. Here come the ladies. What's to declare? We're fragile, handle with care.